Jer. Jer.
Yo, yo. Eh, kasama ko,
Yan.
Lods. Dalawa kami.
Ilan? Ay, ganun ba? Tatlo kami. Sige, mamaya na lang kami.
Oh, sige, Lods. Sige, Lods.
Tama ko si Jigs eh.
Ah, sige, pag nagdalawa kayo, eh, sali kayo sa amin. Kung kaya, sali kami sa'yo.
Okay, sige.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, idol.
Oy, yun. Naninibago.
Yeah. May bago na naman. Makapaulaw nga yan, makapaulaw.
Ako. May kawa.
Aha.
Wala to.
Kita kakadwam. Shout out,
Pasok
Idol.
na.
Idol Mark. Makoy. Long time no play. Tara na. Need 5.
Idol Mark.
Need 5.
Makoy.
Need 2
Long time
pala.
no play. Tara na. Hit 5.
Basketball ano.
5 on 5.
Papa Granny. Gagaling mo lang dito sa sa room namin, sa party namin eh. Need 2, need 2. Ginbite
Yun. Waning. O siya ka one on time to.
noon. Parang
Parang
late ka na nag-online. Yeah. Dalawang beses na nasabak sa lasingan. Kaya hindi nakapaglaro ng dalawang gabi. Walang ma-invite ha. Online ka na, Mark. Para may kasama kami. Makoy. Walang sumasali sa amin eh. Ayaw kaming kalaro eh.
Mga eh.
Mahina
Buhat
kami.
daw eh.
Na masyado.
Ah,
Wala namin ng mabubuhat.
papabuhat lang.
Papabuhat lang po kami. Papabuhat lang. Wala
Try lang
eh.
sa mga
Wala ka
helicopter
dito eh. Hindi ka
sa
na ma-invite eh. Offline eh. Walang pumasok. Tara na. Ano tayo muna? Warm up sa Revert.
Ano to, 1 week na warm up na naman ah.
1 week, 1 week na warm up to.
Load out.
Labukin mo si Aikong. Aikong? Wala dito. Naka-offline. Naka-offline. Sino ba to? Led Zeppelin. Pinalitan mo na ba pangalan mo, Makoy? O offline lang talaga?
Po.
Basic.
Check your gear and weapons. Planes are making ready for deployment.
Yun. Hmm. Oh.
Uy, nakakahilo. Nakakahilo. Ang gabi lang akong ano eh.
Oo.
O alak lang. Alak lang siguro. Nakakahilo eh.
Kulang pa.
Ay, katatapos nyo lang ba maglaro? Ay, sana all.
Ha?
Sila ano?
Enemy soldier
Ako'y
incoming.
Mark
Hmm.
Toribio. Hinihintay ka namin mag-open. Maglalaro sana ako kagabi, pero wala, di kaya. Nauna yung alak eh. Di.
Battle Royale.
Uy, sana all, may chicken. Uy, bago itong mapa na to ah. Oh, bago
Oo
ba?
nga.
Ay, hindi.
Puta, saan kayo?
Saan tayo?
Napalayo na naman
Dito?
to.
Blue?
Enemy soldier incoming.
Napalayo na naman ako eh.
Clear to engage all
Sana all, may panalo, chicken.
Puta ay na. Nadali agad, doon na.
Dalawang araw lang ako hindi naglaro, hindi na ako marunong eh.
Huli. Nahilo ako dun ah.
Tanga na. Ikaw pa ako namatay doon. Sana all, malakas. Papabuhat nga kami. Baka bukas, papabuhat kami kung matimingan ko kayo. Uy! Tigto 20 kills yata eh.
This is the Gulag. Survive and you can redeploy. The fight's on. Get ready to fight. You're next.
Dali.
Uy, ba't naghang? Naghang to laro ko. What the hell? Yari.
Nadali. Nadali sa gulag.
Naghang.
Fucker out.
Nag-error tong game ko.
Oo.
Wow. Error ang po dyan. Parang medyo malaki ata yung graphics mo. Mababa lang yung settings. Error. 60 lang yung resolution ko. Mababa lang. Yung bagong update lang nito eh. Saka lang nagaganito eh. Panalo na sana yun eh. Nagka-error pa. Hindi lang nagka-error eh. Sigurado na yan. Panalo yan. Sobrang hina yung mga kalaban dun eh. Panalo na yun sana eh. Team bato pa. Restart ko ulit para mas okay. Beses pa. Sana maka-chicken din. Work yan, teamwork. Yun. Panalo na
Yun.
sana yun eh. Naging bato pa. Ay, ganun. Duos. Sige, duos tayo.
Pili ko ah.
30 na yung level mo kagad ah. Tamang maganda ngayon. Gusto ko yung parang scuba diver eh, na ano. May skin sa Battle Pass. Maganda tong mga skin. Ganda yung nasa Battle Pass.
Ah.
Malaki ba? Oo, oo nga no. Yung screen ko pala. Thank you, thank you. Hindi ko napansin, Lods. Wala nakaano yung settings ko sa ano. Akin ang screen ko. Buti na lang nakita mo. Yung pala yung sinasabi mo. Hindi ko napansin. Okay na ba? Nag-reset. Nag-reset siguro. Thank you, thank you. Idol. Idol Lodi. Paano na? Paano na tayo pag wala ka? Just save the day.
Get yourself sorted. We'll be deploying shortly.
Ano na? On na ulit, Mark. Ano? Ahoy.
Enemy
Trios tayo, trios. Bigyan mo kaming chicken. Uy, saan yun? Saan yun? Hindi makita ang pucha. Doon. Okay na, Lods.
Enemy dropping into the AR.
Pistolin ko to.
Pangit ng mouse ko ngayon ah.
Ako rin, di nakakatama. Hindi ako lang bago. Di nakakatama tong mouse na to.
Time for the
Pati tong keyboard ko, hindi nakakatama eh.
hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Mainit ah, parang masarap ang malamig na beer. May ganun ano. Ano, pahinga, pahinga.
Nag-update ako kahapon eh. Ang laki pala.
Season 5.
15 gig.
15 gigs sa Xbox, ay sa ano? Sa PS.
PS4, 15
Oh.
gigs.
Hindi ko na alam yung ilan di
Laki.
sa PC.
You'll lead them in. Gas is closing on your position. Suggest you get moving.
Yun.
Tayo. Toy?
Yun tayo. Pwede, pwede.
Walang contract. Medyo tahimik. Sana, sana.
Enemies in the area. Disregard blast. Contact. Moving. Disregard blast. Targets are up. Get to work.
Yun. Kakahilo ah. Panibago.
Baka alak yan. Baka alak. Nalilito ko lang kung alak.
Purang arak.
Nabitin. Ay, naubit na naman. Tech 9 OTS. Kapit to. Nakita ang kalaban ano? Nakasabay.
Ha? Meron? Wala.
Wala kang nakita ang kasabay ano?
Wala, wala.
War, so good.
SMG here.
EM2. Charara, shatatat. Idol. ASIC. Tara na. Kabuhat, Lods.
Pwede na.
Oy, may tao.
Pwede na mag-loadout.
In the area.
Meron, meron.
Enemies in the area.
Kulang pa, kulang pa. Gamitin ko
Oh,
to.
puta. Side ko.
Tayin natin yan.
Upo, upo. Sa likod na.
Tangina.
Dalawa.
Nakakauta na ba, Lods? Sana all.
Survive and you can redeploy.
Nandito nga eh, nakagising pa si ano eh. Si Mark eh.
Ha?
Ayaw naman niya
Bad na
mag-online.
din tong gulag ah.
Bago nga eh.
Putz. Hindi ko nakabisado tong gulag niya.
At least maliwanag, medyo maliwanag.
Oo.
Finish the mission. Listen up, soldier.
Nasasanay din pag laging nasa gulag. Palaging nasa gulag eh.
Tangin na. Naghang na naman.
Warm up, warm up.
May fatal error na naman. Sa akin.
Error.
Oo, fatal error. Restart ko muna tong PC ko siguro. Hindi ko alam bakit ganito.
Sige, Idol. Sige, sige.
Yan. Restart tayo. Restart. Oh, tangin yan. Update na yun, oh. Panalo na sana eh. Nag-error kasi. Siguradong chicken na sana yun eh. Mic check, mic check. Uy, salamat Log Bogli. Laro na, laro na. Mic check. Mic check. Check it. Check, check, check. Uncle Dre. Hintayin lang natin si Mang Bobote. Yung kasama ka meron. O yata ng pagkain. Ikaw, may kasama ka? Awan garod kadwak solo na ka. Meron tayo tatlo. Tatlo tayo. Kailangan natin. Yun.
Yun.
Okay na, okay na. Tara na. Sana hindi na ano to. Mag-error na naman. Pangit talaga tong update na to.
May error ka.
2 beses na eh. Hihingi na ako ng refund. Parang binayaran ano. Parang binayaran tong Warzone ano. Ano bang ano ngayon? Meta. Ano? Uncle Dre. Krieg? Krieg ba ang meta ngayon? Meron akong loadout na ganun.
Pucha.
Grab some target practice while you can. We're deploying soon. Alright, that's enough fucking about. Now we do this for real. Battle Royale. Set a drop point for your team, soldier. Avoid the gas. Get to the safe zone.
Uy. Saan tayo?
Does anyone need this?
Affirm that bounty contract.
Parang may iba naman.
I'll think.
Woo!
Enemies in the area. Alright, lads, let's get it done.
Sana wag nang mag-error.
Bounty target has been marked. Kill him.
Ammunition ako. Palapit na yat. Papalapit na.
Enemies in the area.
Yan na, yan na.
Ang ina, naka-shotgun. Sa loob pala yun.
Magpota.
Welcome to the Gulag.
Warm up lang yan.
Survive, you earn your freedom. Win here and you return to the front line. You lose, your fight is
Whoa.
over. Time to earn your freedom, soldier.
Tangin na, hindi manalo ah.
Stuff in here. We're bringing you home.
Iba-ibang grupo pala yung nandun.
Your team can still
Ah,
back.
may third party.
Oo, dalawa. Nagsasaksakan sila eh.
Pag hindi ka nakita eh, tago ka lang. Kaya mo sila.
Puta.
Nice.
Eyes on scavenger contract.
Si Uncle Dre lang malakas.
Sixty, 50, 62.
Salamat po. Looted na ba lahat dyan sa side na yan? O bagsakan ko na yan?
Primary objective accomplished. All supply boxes found.
Loaded. Loaded. Loaded si Mayor. Dalawa. Pinahulog pa yung sa kanila, oh.
You've got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Tanginang yan. Meron.
Yun, oh.
Yun lang, hindi ako makaload out.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Tanginang yan.
Learn from the loss.
Bagsak! Tingnan natin kung may invite tayo isa.
Yun lang.
Sige, mag-invite ka. Ayusin ko lang yung loadout ko. Unlock ko. Uy, wala. Ay. Isaac. Okay na.
Okay na.
Oh, yun.
Nakakagutom. Sana may mani. Parang masarap ang mani ngayon.
Alright, that's enough fucking about. Now we do this for real. Battle Royale. Alright, soldier, mark a drop point for your team. Gas is closing on your position. Suggest you get moving.
May mic kayo? Wala. Okay.
Meron sa mga kalamat.
Anyone need this one? Disregard blast. Copy on that Scavenger contract.
I'll take.
Warm up lang yan.
One movement.
Teammates in the gulag. If they survive, they can redeploy. Alright,
Hindi ko makuha yung Scabby. May tao doon.
Your teammate.
May kalaban dyan.
Oo.
Your teammate's done in. They're returning to base.
Diyan na, diyan na.
Ay mo yan, bugbugin mo. Oh shit.
Nawalan po yun.
Fight to
Nawalan na yung bala po.
Fight's ready. Win here and you return to the front line. You lose, your fight is
Busy.
over. Sort them out or capture the objective.
What?
You got roughed up in there. We're bringing
Nanalo ng gulag ah. Wala nung kanina.
Ito.
your team.
Mamememorize ko na tong gulag na to. Opo siya.
It's hard that time, but we'll settle the score.
Play again. Dalang.
Grab some target practice while you can. We're deploying soon.
Bam.
All right, that's enough mucking about. Now we do this for real.
Ngayon mas, asing ka mas. Gusto ka na.
All right, soldier. Mark a drop point for your team. Avoid the gas. Get to the safe
Gasang magaya. Papanan natin.
Will,
Warm up lang yan. Downtown na. Gulo to.
Supply box identified. Marking location now. Alright lads, let's get it done. Located.
Meron dito.
Next objective located. Dear, get out! Primary objective accomplished. All supply boxes found.
Vendor, if you need to buy.
No doubt.
LMG here.
Pilat.
Loadout drop headed your way. Laundry cash here. Does anyone need this? Friendly UAV overhead.
Lakas pa rin ba ang Farah?
mhm.
Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy dropping into the AO. Friendly UAV overhead. Gas is closing in.
May bumagsak ba?
Enemy launching an advanced UAV. We're exposed. Enemy UAV overhead.
Mhm.
Your teammate has entered the gulag. Surviving earns them redeployment.
Dalawa dito.
Target marked. Send it.
Striker 3-1, good copy. Strike inbound.
Ay, tangina, nasa root. Lakas naman ng baril yun.
Survive and you can redeploy. Pay attention, you'll be out there soon. While you wait, feel free to use a proper shit. And if you find something you like, feel
Ay,
free to give it
pucha.
back as well. Fight's ready. Get yourself sorted, you're up next. Win here and you return to the front line. You lose, your fight is over.
Panalo na to.
Sort them out or catch
The hell?
You got your ass kicked in that one. We're sending you back to base. Not over yet. Your team can still buy your release.
Ay, putang ina nga yan. Talaga ng house ko.
Heading this way.
Malas, malas.
Rally on that vehicle.
Di pa
Baka
kasi
maglang yan.
naligo eh, kaya minamalas. Di pa nagdigos. Kaya inaalat.
Warm up lang yan.
Oh, I'm hit! Got movement! Got movement!
More hard out. Return to base sequence.
Back ko. Baka hindi na lag tong susunod.
Check your gear and weapons. Planes are making ready for deployment.
Pila lang mga idol.
Yun.
Battle Royale. Alright, soldier. Mark a drop point for your team. Gas is closing on your position. Suggest you get moving. Does anyone need this? I'll take. Alright, lads, let's get it done. You're incoming.
Dami pala nila po dyan. Lag agad ah.
Gulag. Survive and you can redeploy.
Ay, puta na. Dalawa, puta.
Fight's
Tangkin
ready.
yun ah.
While you wait, feel free to give these wankers a proper jeering. And if you find something to throw, feel free to give them that as well. Fight started. You're up next, mate. Get ready. Win here and you return to the front line. You lose, your fight is over. You're up, soldier. Now go sort this fucker out. Go back to the front line.
Ngayon lang panalo kasi AFK yung kalaban.
Got movement.
Does anyone need this? Your teammates done in.
Puta.
They're returning to base.
Look for target disregard. Marking armor.
Ayun ang...
Bounty target has been marked. Kill him.
Contact. Front.
Enemy UAV overhead. Losing ground. Enemies in the area. Bounty target is down. Well done.
Timbig sa ti haming na... Ikwam.
Daming nga dal.
Pimbig sa basit. Uy! Nag-reset po ito.
Oo ha.
Wait lang eh. Naglalag ako ah. Yari. Nakikita mo?
Hindi, okay lang naman.
Oh. Mga baril.
Ano yan?
Mga baril na lang eh.
Ay.
Oh. Ganun. Ganun.
Bakit? Lag?
Pag siguro. Hindi ka lang. Kampo dyan. Mga baril na lang eh. Isa eh.
Friendly sentry gun online. Enemy UAV overhead.
Ako. Ay, ng update ah.
came through here. Loadout drop headed your way.
Uy.
You eliminated the most wanted target. Good job.
Have eyes on aid station.
Loadout drop headed your
Vendor
way.
here. Rearm and resupply. Anyone need this?
Move to the next area and secure the perimeter. Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Subli jahaming na.
Da?
Nagsubli. Uy.
Nakakita J-pop eh. Awan naka-charge.
Mga kakit diyan. Sige lang. Ayos. Doon makamayat eh.
Pado yung cellphone ko eh.
Contract complete. Recon intel secured.
Posted na ako.
Anyone need contract located.
Objective updated. Secure that position. Losing ground. Get to the safe zone.
May red door.
May red dot.
Hindi na. Magkakaiwalay eh. Red door.
Vendor, if you need to buy. Never mind.
Body armor here. Disregard last. Assault rifle here. Primary objective accomplished. Recon intel secure.
Marking armor.
Selfie na. Self-revive.
Body armor here.
Recon contract located.
LV oh. Libre. Una lahat eh.
Wala, meron na eh.
Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone. I'll take it.
Yes lang hindi naglaro eh. Oh, may nag-i-snipe.
Meron. Doon. Ano
Taas.
yun oh? Sniper. Taas.
I've got you.
Sa taas.
Sa taas ng TV station ba?
Oh. Sa may building.
Ito?
Does anyone need this? Disregard blast. Moving. Got gas moving in.
Sa taas sila.
Uy, sniper ang po dyan.
Sniper nga yun eh.
Atap. Thank you.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Taking in.
Sa taas. Open na na.
Target down.
Mark, team mark.
Have eyes on it. Have eyes on please disregard
Pera.
behind.
Request.
Going here.
Dalawa.
Have eyes on aid station. Moving over here.
Got gas inbound.
Moving over
Safe
here.
zone located.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
Ilalim ng tulay tayo.
Spotted a vehicle.
Open. Tayo dito.
Hard left. Hindi pwede.
Sa buy station tayo. Buy station.
Ah,
Saan ba dito?
UAV overhead.
Sorry. Kamali ako.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Taong pera? Yung may pera? Si ano?
na 2.5 lang ako eh.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Coordinates marked.
Oo, maulan na.
Ignore left.
Kapit na sila. Sa ere.
Disregard blast. Enemies in the area. Enemy UAV overhead.
May plates ako dito ah. Uncle Dry.
Body armor here. Enemy UAV overhead. Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Recon contract located.
Tago.
Reach the marked location and secure the area.
Kaya to.
Loadout drop headed your way.
Sama-sama sa siniskwela.
Enemy UAV overhead. Enemies in the area. Gas moving in. We're in safe zone. Watch for enemy. Enemies in the area. Enemies in the area. Enemy UAV
Dito.
overhead.
Abay mo. Ingat lang.
Enemy UAV overhead. Enemies in the area.
May isang team dito, Lods.
What move?
May isang team. Taunog. Dapat talikod mo.
Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone.
Dadating dito ni. Second floor.
Ah, sige. Baka magnadatayan ko. Abang ako.
Nadatam-damdama.
What move? Contact front.
Dadya nga to juduwa.
Please disregard.
Yang nga building.
Losing ground. Get to the safe zone.
Contact Disregard. Your left. I'm in their sights.
Kinanak sa nagtagan.
Down yung nasa ano? Uy! Ba't lumabas ako? Dali ako.
25 are still active in the AO.
Puta, ay na, dalawa sila, puta.
Tatlo. May nakatambay pa sa garahe.
Oo. Buti nadali ko pa yung isa kanina na dumaan. Okay na.
Nakaka-cancer ka pa, no?
Oo.
Fuckers have been sighted.
Nice. Ooh. Sayang, oh. Talo na sana yun. Pag hindi tayo namatay.
Dito na lang. Okay.
Check your gear and weapons. Planes are making ready for deployment. safe zone.
Going here. Anyone needs it?
Saan tayo mga lods?
Objective updated. Secure that position. Our primary objective is to kill them all.
AFK si Uncle Dre ah.
Assault rifle here.
Hey, oy. Kick out for inactivity siguro.
Gas is closing in.
Man,
Body armor here. Shotgun here.
Recon intel secured. Solid work.
Loadout.
yan na. Tara.
Dito.
Sige.
Oh,
Uy. May kalaban. Kunin mo muna yung pera. Kunin mo muna.
Get the safe zone.
ay putik, nadali pa to. Sa loob.
Ana.
Ay, pucha, nasa
Return to
5.
base.
Setting a mine. Blood their cash here.
May loadout na. Bumili na kami.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Para mabilis yung gas siguro. Sakay no?
Heading this way.
All right, passenger. All right, passenger.
Going here.
Does anyone need this? Lander here. Equipment.
Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV overhead.
Light vehicle here.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Ikaw na. Okay na. Isang team naman na yun.
Ambush? Ambush.
Ambush.
Back now. Fight to early deployment.
Mahirap sa downtown.
Bit of argy-bargy. You're up next, mate. Get
Ang
ready.
bayan.
Naghanga.
Listen up, soldier. Win here and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done. You're up, soldier. Now go sort this fucker. You got your ass kicked in that one. We're sending you back. Your team can still buy you back if they have the cash.
Moving.
Oh, may kumuha sa ano?
Guard blast.
Scavenger.
Light vehicle here. Does anyone need this? Helicopter here. Light vehicle here.
Found a bird we can use.
Ako?
Light vehicle here.
Maanghang. Indian mango ko ma.
Apo, puma.
Kwa.
Pinulong boy.
Well. Yapan sa suksukan ni Jay ko. Datong cut.
Ayun.
Gitugot tayo lang suka ko. Fire sale. Salamat. Fire sale. Thank you.
Well, thank you.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Uy, may weapon ah.
UAV overhead. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV overhead.
Wala.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Gas here. Take what you need.
Pili ng selfie. Libre.
Kulang.
Ah.
Blood
Libre.
cash here.
In their sight.
Found some tactical.
Gas
Ignore
is
that.
inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Found a sniper
Enemy
rifle. Need
UAV
it.
overhead.
Moving.
High ground, high ground. Taas tayo. Oh, kaliwa tayo.
Enemy UAV overhead. Fire sales done. Prices are back to normal.
Got move.
Enemy vehicle.
Ha, disabled. Yung
Enemies in the area.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Taas.
uy. Nauna ko pala sa atin.
All hard out there. Return to base.
Kanan tayo ni Uncle Dre. Nabunot ng aso yung saksakan. Tayin lang natin siya na magbubuti. Nag-restart lang. Snake eye. Yun.
Mungkin tukin na ng aso mapartik sa to. Mungkin
Yeah.
loko token na. Oh, ano yun? Tawandan.
Mo dyan may isa. Pimana. Invite ko. Ano kaya na?
Nadagsunda ko na.
Dagsun.
Oh. Kung ano nag-crash ko bigla ka hindi nga nagidipan.
Diyan napansin ka niya? Jack to pa napansin? Okay.
Nabunot na token na ng aso.
May sasali daw. Sasali bata. 11 years old.
Sino ni Kwa?
Agent
sa
Orange. Bago bag. Yun, 4 kompleto. Open na yung mic, please. Yun know, may mic si Orange oh. Agent Orange oh. Panood nga yung Snake Eyes. Panood mo na? Ay ko yung Shang-Chi.
Check your gear and weapons. Planes are making ready for deployment. Playtime's over, mate. You're going to the war zone. Battle Royale. Alright, soldier. Mark a drop point for your team. Be advised, gas is closing in. Proceed to the safe zone.
Mark lang kayo. Wag mahiya. Mic check, Orange. Agent Orange.
Market.
Meron ba?
Wala naman.
Get to work.
Buhatin niyo ako.
Sige, buhatan ka namin.
Sure ka?
An enemy team is hunting you. Stay alert.
Buhatin ka namin kung kaya ka namin.
Okay.
Pero buhatin mo kami pag ano.
Puta na, meron. Isa. Sa loob.
Buhatin mo kami pag hindi ano.
Pare.
Enemy launched an advanced UAV. We're exposed. Friendly sentry gun online. Teammate has entered the gulag. Surviving earns them redeployment.
2 threats ako.
Got a sniper rifle here.
Nawala.
Be advised, your teammate.
Puta na, naunahan pa ako ng nanoset.
Ikan. Dito.
Enemies in the area.
Ay, no mames.
Uy, ba't hindi ko nakuha? Okay.
Marami kong damage.
Thank you for getting my kill. Yep. This,
I've got you.
What down to me yun eh.
Gas is closing in.
Si Isaac, malupit yan.
Okay.
Siya mabubuhat.
Okay. Na natin.
Found the target. Check your fire. I'm in their sight. You evaded the enemy track. Good work.
Fire station. Pahingi ako ng 700. Okay. Wala akong fire station ah.
Safe zone. Watch for enemy.
UAV overhead.
Polluted dito. Ito pero.
Yun. Thank you.
Plunder cash here.
Ito sa ano? Bounty.
Body armor here.
Hindi na lang ako.
Loadout muna. Lang pa.
Anybody need this?
Yun, nag-revive.
Sumugod ka na.
Yun. Yan, matimay pa to.
Okay, team wipe mo. Pag hindi team wipe yan ang magagawa namin.
Ewan.
Wipe, team wipe mo.
Sige.
Ikutan tayo ng ano na to
Flash out!
Dati Mark, di ba? Sabi ko eh.
Baka ma-team wipe tayo niya.
Oh my freak.
Advanced
Meron
UAV
ng
were
loadout.
exposed.
Punta tayo doon.
GG's na ako.
Teammate has
Tagal
entered the
tapos
gulag.
nito, GG's na ako.
Surviving earns
Bilis naman.
Loadout your way.
Tutok eh.
Ay, saan ba? Kala ko ito yun. Pwede dito sa baba. Pwede.
Pwede.
Your teammates done in. They're returning to base. We're out of time. Scrub the contract.
Ay. Ayaw pa? Ayaw pang... Tagulag ka pa?
Game. Game.
Nasa gitna pala tayo eh. May plates dito.
Friendly loadout drop on the way.
Ghost tayo.
Ghost.
Onto the gear package.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Dibs on that. There, I got movement.
Time to earn your freedom, soldier. Stand by for redeployment.
Nakachambay eh. Ano bang scavenger yan?
Does anyone need this?
Teammate redeploying to the AR. Supply box ready for
Looted lahat.
Contract updated. New objective identified.
Ay, hindi pa. Looted.
Inbound. Marking new safe zone. Next objective located. Primary objective accomplished. All supply boxes found. Enemy UAV overhead. Gas is moving.
Yun.
There, I got movement.
Moving. Sniper rifle here. Shotgun here.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Send Claymore.
Mover. I saw
There,
you target.
I got movement.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Have eyes on. Have eyes on. Mover.
Nagre-recon. Ah. Buhay pa niya yung kasama niya.
Copy that. There, I got movement. Belay that. Roger that. There, I got movement.
Plates. May plates ka ba? Orange.
Meron.
Salamat po.
Oh, pucha. Kita ako, pet.
Ang area ka.
Kita ako.
Taas. Safe ka ba dyan?
Oo. Nag-snipe ako eh. Wala nga, meron na sa likod niyo, sa likod niyo.
Ah, okay.
Enemies in the area.
Madaming loot dyan.
May truck sa ano, buy station ba? Buy station. Pera siya.
There, I got movement.
Hi! Safe ako dito sa may truck. Sa
Sige,
gilid.
sige. Punta ka dyan.
Ina mo lang sa kabila. Dito sa side ko safe. Ay meron.
Get yourself the proper warm-up. We'll be deploying soon. Right, that's enough mucking about. Now we do this for real.
Oh!
I'll take.
Battle Royale. Mark a drop point for your team. You'll lead them in. Be advised, gas is closing in. Proceed to the safe zone.
Contact! Right here!
Proceed to the marked location and secure the area. Clear to engage all targets.
Uy,
Enemy soldier incoming.
yan na.
Nakikita ba? Ba't ang layo ko pala? Likod nyo, likod nyo.
Welcome to the Gulag. If you survive, you earn your freedom. You win this fight and you return to the front line.
Oh,
If you lose,
siya
you're
naman,
done
oh.
here. Sort them out or capture the objective. Stand by the weapon. Your teammate has entered the Gulag. Surviving earns them
Does anyone
redeployment.
need this? Does anyone need this?
Allied cluster strike inbound.
Ay, naka-contract pala.
Disregard blast.
Uy, parang dami dyan ah.
Your teammate was sent to the Gulag. They'll fight for a chance to redeploy.
Does anyone need this?
Iwas muna dyan. Daming kalaban dyan.
Teammate redeploying to the AR. Be advised, there's an enemy team hunting you.
Daming kalaban sa ano. Ah, may kalaban din dito. Kayong pumunta rito.
Gas is closing in.
Puta, marami.
Kahit saan, marami.
Teammate has been cleared for redeployment.
Puta na. Nasa taas pa lang ako, binabaril na.
Your teammate was sent to the Gulag. They'll fight for a chance to redeploy.
We're not out here. Regroup in the safe zone.
teammate is redeploying. Stand by.
Isang team yung nasa akin.
Ay, adayo ka men.
Oo.
Repositioning.
Contact failed. Stand down.
Repositioning.
Sinundan ako eh.
Tapos din ako dyan sa ano. Sa next season siguro bubuksan na to. Dalawang
Don't have long.
dalawang nanonood sa akin.
Oo nga.
Hunted pala ako, pucha. Dead. Yun nag-look.
You're safe. We lost the enemy trackers.
Saan ba kayo?
Ano? Salt mine. May red door na naman dito.
Ano ba to?
Time is up. Objective failed.
I'm taking fire!
Loadout drop headed your way.
I've got you!
163 southeast. Ay, nandito sa likod din.
Let's come on.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located. Mark the camp.
Diretso lang tayo dito.
Loadout? May loadout pa?
Oo nga no. Hindi ko nakita yun ah. Tapos red door. Ganun na. Bilis pa yata ito. Bagal na pala.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Got a vendor. Got some cash here. Wait, disregard. There, I got you.
Gas moving in.
Hostiles here.
This is Striker 3-1. Good copy. Strike inbound. Got this.
Ang dami pala dito.
Proper teaching.
Kami pala nakaabang.
Grab some target practice while you can. We're deploying soon.
I'm hit. I'm hit.
Playtime's over, mate. You're going to the war zone. Battle Royale. Mark a drop point for your team. You'll lead them in. Be advised, gas is closing in. Proceed to the safe zone.
Low. Puta na, nalate ako. Sorry. Umihi ako. Tagalan sa banyo eh.
Target's up. Get to work.
Inang. Palit ba server? Mamaya?
Return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done here. You're up, soldier. Sort this fucker out. Got your arm.
At,
We're sending you back to base.
Putik nga, naunahan na naman ng putik.
Your team can still buy you back if they have the cash.
Sa taas. Putay na, dalawa pala sila.
Dalawa.
Anyone need a gas mask? Movement!
Single shot pala eh.
Thank you po. Abang baril yan.
Loadout drop inbound.
Ay.
Sniper rifle here.
There, I got movement.
Nice. Kanina.
Mid caliber here. Movement!
Setting charge.
Tudun. Yun, thank you.
Kasi sira to. Pambala tong sniper rifle na to.
Banda lang pala. Meron pa na.
Moving.
Loadout dropping down.
100 meters. Tayo na. Pause pa ako dyan. Tapos na ako.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
Mark the care package. Bounty contract identified.
Open pa to.
Open nga eh.
Ghosted ka na?
Hindi pa.
Ghosted na rin ako. Ghosted na ako. Hindi ko na kinuha.
Baka di ko maabutan yan.
Kaya pa yan? Tagal pa. 19 seconds. Ay. Hindi pa mandar. Kaya pa yan.
Gas is inbound. Bounty target identified. Slot the bastard. Friendly UAV overhead.
Get to the safe zone.
It's open.
Does anyone need this?
Kasmas dito, libre.
Copy that.
Amba.
Launcher here. Lethal's here. Shot. Disregard blast. Uh-huh. Copy that. Uh-huh. Copy that. Uh-huh. Copy that.
Field upgrade here.
Mukhang open.
Plunder cache here.
Contract time expired. We lost the target.
Dami kong pera. Thunder yata to.
Bounty contract identified. Bounty contract identified.
Assault rifle here.
Thunder ang po.
Buy station identified.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
High caliber here.
Bounty target identified. Slot the bastard.
Movement.
Your teammate has entered. Deployment. Gas is closing in.
Puta na, wala pala akong
Recon
bala eh.
flyover.
UAV entering the AO.
Wala akong
Teammates
bala.
done in. They're returning to base.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
Moving.
Armor.
Taking fire. Moving.
There. I got movement. Don't worry, you'll make it.
Ito puch. Sa loob na. Yun, uubos tao din ano.
Na push tayo, nag-take advantage.
Got a vehicle here. Cancel that. Scavenger contract located.
Anybody need this?
Does anyone need this? Does anyone
Pili ka na. Dami.
Marking contract.
Anong pinakapakain mo sa aso mo? Napili ba siya o?
Hindi naman. Sakto
No.
lang yung mga beef ko lang. Oo.
Parang Pinoy din?
Oo. Parang aspin lang din.
Ayos, mas matipid.
Oo.
Last game muna ako mga idol.
Oo.
Alas 3 manan. Apo. Paratak oras.
Uy nga, Rod.
Panagitulog ti... Tiga. Adamang klase nagsublima na.
Ay, mabalita face to facean.
Oh, mabali na. Hindi pa lang. Ikanda ka ti i-option nga no kaya mo online mo no
Face to face.
campus one face to face. Nag-online ni Elise ngam ko. Kaya mo tan uy, nangyari. Wala. Wala kayo. Wala rin si Uncle Dre. Hindi na kaya. Okay. Yung last game tan. Duos, last game.
Okay. Last game.
Day of Moon Summit.
Day off. Baka kwak damdama.
Ata lang. Ay, may
Anda.
Summit natin. Day of Mumat.
When. Day off. 2 weeks day off man na.
Ayos. Meta.
Para sa man nag-plunder damdama man.
Uy, napartak nga level up ti kom no ka, Plunder. Basta no niya kaya mo nga ko. Kung anong gusto mong baril, yun ang gamitin mo pag nagko-contract ka. Kailangan naka-switch ka. Saan yung kasama mo, Tristan? Yo. Kayo, mag-3 years kayo mamaya kung gano'n. Revert? Gusto mong mag-revert, bossing?
Sige boss. Kahit ano.
Revert daw request ni Tristan Carl. Sige. Pagbibigyan ko si Tristan Carl. Bigyan mo ka ng 100 pesos. Bilis Sakit yata ng tiyan ko Napahalo ko yung dami kong kinaing tingkamas na may sukang sili. Tapos kumain ako ng Skyflakes na kondensada. Sarap pa. Sarap pala nun Food trip
Sabay coke.
Ayawan. Di GTA 1. Ara ka. So
Get yourself a proper warm-up. We'll be deploying soon. Contact!
Mapan makilanit tayo so. Ay mas tikop.
Enemy dropping.
Iga do kas ka din nakdaka na.
Lagi tayo na naman. Lagi tayo trip tayo Pan makilanit. Kamto sa bayan tiko. So. One week man di day of Moon.
Enemy dropping into the area.
2 weeks.
Outong. Slabak may trabaho. Sa bakasyon lang
Bakasyon lang, pandemic.
Enemy soldier incoming. Enough practice. Time for the real thing.
Digos.
Battle Royale. Set a drop point for your team, soldier. Gas is closing on your
Saan tayo?
Suggest you get moving.
Ay.
Launching waypoint.
Okay.
Yan na.
Launching waypoint.
Dami din na.
Contact!
Gambala. Natin yung bounty.
Does anyone need this?
Wala.
Target identified. Slot the bastard.
Load up. I know.
An enemy team is hunting you. Stay alert.
Sniper rifle here.
Enemy UAV overhead. Got a loadout drop inbound. Detonator.
Tech 9 tayo.
Inbound.
Watch out!
Ini, ito na, gago to. Sorry.
Contact front.
We're in safe zone. Watch for enemy. Enemies in the area! Contact! Enemies in the area!
Time's up. Objective failed.
I'm taking fire!
Lipat.
Iputang na.
Mayroon dun sa kaliwa.
They have me sighted.
The enemy lost track of you. You're safe. Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone.
Target down!
Rocky system deployed.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Target marked. Send it.
Exploder 2-0. Good copy. Strike away.
Enemies in the area! Target down! Let's go. Taking fire!
Ay, ayun na. Dali tayo lahat yun ah. Isa pa, last game. Isa pang last game.
Enemy dropping into the AO. Check your gear and weapons. Planes are making ready for deployment. Playtime's over, mate. You're going to the war zone. Battle Royale.
Does anyone need this?
Mark a drop point for your team. You'll lead them in. Avoid the gas. Get to the safe zone. Targets are up. Get to work.
Target marked. Send it.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Tracker 3-1, good copy.
Under hostile fire.
Good kill.
Ay, tangina. Pampucha.
Under fire. Sending rockets.
Yan lang.
Enemy loadout drop on the way. Enemy UAV overhead.
Ay, iba yung loadout na nakuha ko. Pucha.
high cal run.
Eto.
You'll be okay.
I've got you.
Armor's out.
Lighting me up.
I've got you. Plunder cash
Enemy
here.
UAV overhead.
Okay, I'm ready. Yes, that's ready.
Body armor here.
Friendly loadout drop on the way.
Load out. Tayo.
Anyone use body armor? Anyone use body armor?
Gas is closing.
Yo,
Get to the new
bala.
safe zone.
Dalawa.
Armor.
Spotted a care package.
Dalawang loadout ah. Tingin ko lang tong bounty ah.
Objective is to eliminate the bounty target. 25 remaining. Nicely done.
Anyone use body armor? Anyone use body armor? Anyone use body armor?
Bounty target is down. Well done.
Let's take it.
Enemy UAV overhead.
I'll use it.
Assault rifle here.
Contact front.
Gas is moving. Be advised, enemy team is tracking your location. Enemy soldier is coming.
We're in safe zone. Watch for enemy.
Blackout.
Ay tayo lahat ah.
Blackout.
Uy, yun lang.
Aha.
Okay, bukas ulit ako. Mga idol. Thank you, thank
Ligo
you.
lang din ako, ligo.
Sige, sige, sige.
GG. Good game.
GG.